Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use Boost on Chime. Now, Boost, okay, are basically a peer-to-peer feature that is tied to Chime's Spot Me, okay? So right here, it's the overdraft service. And they basically allow Chime members to temporarily increase someone else's Spot Me limit by $5, as you can see right here. So the boost that you would receive, or they would receive, expires at 11:59 p.m. on the last day of the month, and at the start of the new month, the boost amount resets. So you lose the unused boost added coverage, and you would need new boosts to add coverage again. So if someone sends you a boost, you can send them back until basically the end of the month. Okay. So that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.